Hi there, and thanks for tuning in again today. We are going to be going over our reading for Friday, May the 8th. I can't believe it's another Friday and it's May 8th already. But anyway, we will be rereading the poem Soccer Ball on a Saturday, and then we will be doing the vocabulary match page that goes along with that poem. So if you are ready, we will get started. Green shared the poem with you. Follow along with your eyes, or you can choose to join in and read aloud with me. Soccer ball on a Saturday morning. I'm slammed into earth, raced, chased, and punted. I'm rocked, I'm shocked, I'm knocked and punted. I'm totally confused. I skirt left, cross right. I'm kicked, kneed, launched into flight. I sail, I soar, flipping end over end. Pull, pound the hard ground. A ball with no friend. Now, as we discussed yesterday, this poem is told from the point of view of a soccer ball, and the soccer ball is sharing with us all of the things that is happening with it and it being knocked around during a soccer game on a Saturday morning. So, we are going to look at our vocabulary match question. And our directions right here at the top tell us to match each vocabulary word from the story to the correct definition. So as we look at this page, we see that we have two columns here. Down the left with the numbers are each word, and on the right is a meaning of each word. Now, one way that I think is easier to do this is I read through all of the words so I know what words are there. And then I'm going to look at each meaning individually. I'm going to read it and then I'm going to go back and think about which word best matches that meaning. Okay, so our words are earth, punted, skirt, pound, friend, confused, totally, and hard. So I'm going to look at A, unable to think clearly. If I'm unable to think clearly, which is the best word for that meaning? Earth, unable to think clearly. No, not punted. Ooh, did you find it? Confused. So I'm going to write the letter A next to number 6, and I'm going to cross that one out because I already used it. So let's look at B. B, we want to find and match a word that is an antonym or opposite for soft. So what is an opposite of soft? Correct. Hard. So we'll write B down at the bottom there and cross that one off. C, strike, hit, slam. I'm not sure on that one. So you know what I'm going to do? I say we skip it and we get all the ones we can get really quickly right off the bat, and then that'll make it easier to figure out the trickier one. So let's move down to D. Which word means completely? Completely. Would that be earth, punted, skirt, pound, friend, or totally? I agree. Totally and completely have the same meaning. Kicked is a word for the meaning of kicked, earth, hunted, skirt, pound, or friend. I agree. E is number two. How about a person you like to spend time with? Yeah, that one was easy, wasn't it? We're going to put that letter F next to friend. Ground. What would be a word that the meaning would be ground in a poem about the soccer ball? Pound, skirt, earth. I agree. H, to move around an object. Ooh, we found out that answer yesterday, didn't we? We found out that that's what skirt meant, which means we only have one spot left. So strike, hit, or slam would be pound. Nice job. So I hope you were exposed to some new words, new vocabulary, meanings of words, and that you enjoyed our two poems this week. All right. I hope you guys have a great weekend and be sure to tune in next week for our shared readings then. See you then.